Good morning, everyone! Today is a normal family morning at home. But it is very funny! Watch with us! Wake up! Wake up! It is 8 o'clock!
5 more minutes.
Come on, Sleepy. I made pancakes.
Pancakes? All right, I'm up.
That's the spirit. Morning, beautiful. Breakfast is ready! Emma! Alex! Come to the kitchen! Sweetie, breakfast is ready. The pancakes are getting cold. Come on down before they get soggy. I made them special for you.
Mom, I cannot find my school shirt. Mom, this t-shirt is ugly. I want the pink one.
The pink one is dirty. Wear this.
Mom, my tooth is loose. Look.
Oh, sweetie, let me see.
See, it wiggles.
Yes, I see. We'll tell the dentist. Here is toast and eggs. Eat fast.
The toast is black.
Black? Oh no, I forgot the toaster again.
It's okay. We can have pancakes instead.
Ha ha! It looks like charcoal. Can I eat charcoal for breakfast? Like a dragon?
Sorry. I am very tired. Let's make new toast.
But the pancakes look amazing.
They are. Go on, dig in.
Look at me! I am a superhero!
Alex, your shirt is backward.
It is cool this way.
Where are the car keys? I cannot find them.
I saw them on the table.
No, they are not here. I know. The dog has them.
What?
Just kidding. They are in my pocket. I took them for fun.
Alex, you are so naughty.
Oh my God, this family! Okay, now we are late, but we are together. That is important.
Yes, family makes every morning funny.
And happy. Next time I help with breakfast. No more black toast.
I love you, even when everything goes wrong.
How is your family morning? Is it funny too? Tell us in the comments. What funny thing happens in your house?